Friends, I am Dr. Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of ZINCUM MET Part 2. Full name Zincum metallicum, common name zinc. Source metal from chemical kingdom. Please note, in Part 1, the following points were discussed. What are therapeutic uses of ZINCUM MET? What are spheres of action of ZINCUM MET? What are mental generals of ZINCUM MET? Mental generals means mental general symptoms. Same thing. ZINCUM MET. What are physical general symptoms of ZINCUM MET? General aggravation, amelioration of ZINCUM MET. Head symptom of ZINCUM MET. Particular symptoms. Among particular, head symptoms, eye symptoms, ear symptoms, face symptoms, stomach symptoms, abdomen symptoms. These all were discussed in Part 1. If you have not gone through the Part 1 or you are reading first this one only, then you must read Part 1 because Part 1 contains the most important part, that is this mental general of ZINCUM and physical general, because these two general symptoms actually covers the person. In homeopathy, person or the patient is more important than the disease. So unless one know the mental general, physical general, ZINCUM MET patient cannot be identified. So please read Part 1 must. What are urinary symptoms of ZINCUM MET? Violent urging, but urinates only in odd positions like bending backwards or crossing limb, etc. Hysterical retention, bleeding after urination. Pressive cutting about kidneys, unable to retain urine unless feet are in constant motion, floating kidneys. Involuntary urination when walking, coughing, sneezing, laughing. Vicarious hematuria from suppressed menses. Let us see the pictures. See, this is the picture of floating kidney. Floating kidney means the position of kidney alters when person is sitting erect or when person is lying in supine position. When in supine position, the position of one kidney is, say, here, the right arrow, and when he is sitting erect, the position of kidney is here. If this difference of position is more than 5 centimeter, or is more than the length of 2 vertebra, this vertebra, 1 vertebra, 2 vertebra, 2 vertebras, then this is called floating kidney. Actually, it happens due to the belongings which fix the kidney in a particular place are displaced. This is in X-ray figure that cannot be seen, but that can be seen in concrete pictures, I mean drawn pictures. It can be seen, and it is shown just above this picture. Please note that there. Now, floating kidney, the symptom of floating kidney is very peculiar. There is pain in a loin position, that is in the kidney region, pain, temperature. There may be chill, nausea, vomiting, trouble in passing urine. All these symptoms are there in floating kidneys. Involuntary urination when walking, coughing, sneezing, laughing, and vicarious hematuria. Vicarious hematuria means bleeding through urinary passage. Those menses suppressed, and for that suppression of menses, hematuria comes. It is called vicarious hematuria from suppressed menses. What are male genital symptoms of ZINCUM MET? Easy sexual excitement, emission too rapid or difficult during coition, discharge of prostatic fluid without any cause, grasp the genitalia with cough, falling of pubic hair, sadness after emission, swelling of testicle with retraction, neuralgia of testis, worse from waking. What are female genital symptoms of ZINCUM MET? Itching of vulva during menses, desire for masturbation during menses, nymphomania of lying in women from suppressed lochia. Here, nymphomania is means excess. This nymphomania means excess of sexual desire, and lying in women means the woman who is going to be deliver a child. Suppressed lochia means after delivery of child, the discharge coming out from vaginal passage, that is called lochia. Profuse lumpy menses, flow more at night, varicose veins during pregnancy. During pregnancy, varicose vein. This is varicose vein has been shown. Varicose vein means the veins, preferentially, mostly in the lower limbs, becomes tortuous, thicker, and most conspicuous. And severe pain of various type, itching comes here. It is very difficult disease to cure. But mind it, not all varicose vein will respond to ZINCUM. If the totality of symptoms is matched, then ZINCUM will cure this varicose vein, a very rare type of disease. Breast painful, nipple sore, pain in left ovary, restlessness, sadness, coldness of the body with sensitive spine and vegetative feet. All complaints better during menstrual flow. What are respiratory symptoms of ZINCUM MET? Dyspnea worse from flatulence, better from expectoration. After chest constricted, dry cough before during menses. Fumbles the genitals during coughing, especially children. Debilitating spasmodic cough worse from eating sweet things. What are heart symptoms of ZINCUM MET? Irregular spasmodic action of heart. Occasional one violent thump. During hard heat, violent pulsation. Heat means hot weather actually. Heart beat hard. Suppressed lochia. That is, from suppressed lochia, heart symptoms may appear. What are neck and back symptoms of ZINCUM MET? Nape of neck, just cervical 1 region, feels weary and tired from writing or any mental exertion. Neck feels lame, then appears stupor. Stupor means light unconsciousness. Burning along whole spine, worse from sitting. Aching in spine and small of the back. Small of the back means lumbar fifth vertebra area. Worst from turning in bed while sitting or stooping. Spine sensitive, cannot bear touch. Cutting pain in interscapular area, better from erectations. Dull aching pain about last dorsal or first lumbar vertebra. Dorsal means actually thoracic vertebra, dorsal vertebra, same thing. Weakness in lumbar region and worse from standing. This is a figure where nape of the neck, C1, cervical region, cervical vertebra 1 region, small of back L5, lumbar vertebra area. This is called. These are technical terms. Small of back, nape of the neck. Interscapular. Scapula bone are the two wing bone of the at the back, which are attached to hand, scapula. Within the scapula, the area is called interscapular area. What are extremity symptoms of ZINCUM MET? Pain in limbs on becoming heated, weakness and trembling of the hands when writing during menses, eczema on hands, cannot keep legs and feet still, cramps of toes when cold, toes feel swollen and sore, tips ache, soles sensitive, bones of the feet feel broken, stumbling spastic gait, totters while walking, especially in dark or with closed eyes, painful chronic varicoses, lightning like pain of locomotor ataxia, sweaty feet with sore toes Formication of feet and legs as of insect crawling over skin, preventing sleep, which is better by rubbing and pressure. Hysterical contraction drawing the fingers out of shape, burning in tibia, paralysis of feet, ulcerative pain in heel worse from walking, pain in deltoid worse from raising arms. This is the stumbling gait of person in ZINCUM MET. He or she cannot walk with a steady gait, and he cannot even walk if his eyes are closed or in dark place. He feeling very unsteady gait in that positions. Hysterical contraction of the fingers. Look at the fingers. This is called hysterical contraction of fingers. What are the skin symptoms of ZINCUM MET? Sensation of crawling of a bug over skin of feet and legs preventing sleep. Eczema in the hands of anemic and neurotic. Varicose veins of legs and genital organs. Itching in the hollow of knees and thighs. See this, the eczema. Eczema of hands and legs, eczema of hands of anemic and neurotic persons. What are sleep symptoms of ZINCUM MET? Somnambulism after suppressed emotion, jerks and starts of various parts of the body on falling to sleep, loud screaming in sleep without being aware, unrefreshing and piecemeal sleeps. This is somnambulism. Somnambulism actually walking while in sleeping state. It is some sort of disease, and we have 2 or 3 medicines where you can get it. Number 1 is ZINCUM. What are fever symptoms of ZINCUM MET? Profuse sweat at night, chilliness of back as though fever appearing, hands and legs cold, feel pit full of sweat. This is sweaty foot. Complementaries, that is the medicines which complements the action of ZINCUM MET. If ZINCUM MET brings about partial cure, then this medicine can complete it. Sulfur, sepia and pulsatilla. And other related medicines are picric acid, hipersulf, ignacia, lachesis and califos.